Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the medium so plants can sprint from day one. Test pH and nutrient levels. Once done, correct them so roots absorb readily. Mix in 2 to 3 inches of compost and a measured balanced fertilizer. This feeds early growth. Choose seed starting mix or a raised bed to warm faster and drain better. These micro-conditions speed germination. Finally, sow high-vigor varieties and cover with clear plastic for warmth. That small thermal boost triggers quicker emergence and faster initial growth. Once seedlings are established, push growth with deliberate techniques. Transplants and varieties rated 45 to 60 days to harvest cut calendar time. Plant them after hardening off. Use row covers or hoop tunnels to trap heat and protect from frost, making metabolic rates climb. Water deeply in the morning to promote root growth. Apply mulch to conserve moisture and moderate soil temperature, and space plants according to instructions so none compete. These measures together maximize growth velocity without sacrificing plant health. To finish quickly, shift feeding to support flowering and fruiting. Apply a feed lower in nitrogen and higher in potassium at pre-flower to encourage set. Monitor pests and diseases weekly. Early, small interventions like sticky traps or neem oil prevent delays. Harvest at peak maturity to avoid waste and stimulate more production in some crops. If plants stall, check for compaction, poor drainage, root rot, or pH swings. Correct the root cause quickly, and prune damaged growth to redirect energy into recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.